This video is your guide to converting an existing computer monitor into a full-featured smart TV. We will explore the technical architecture required for this smart display conversion. Upcycling a single monitor significantly reduces electronic waste. Repurposing an existing LCD or LED monitor establishes a secondary viewing station for a fraction of the cost of new hardware and diverts up to 15 pounds of e-waste from landfills. The smart conversion relies on three core components: the display, the brain, and the pulse. The display is best at 1080p, the brain is the streaming stick selected by your preferred app ecosystem, and the pulse is the dedicated external power source. Reliable power is crucial. You must bypass the monitor's integrated USB ports and route the streaming stick to a dedicated wall outlet. Relying on monitor USB ports can cause boot loops due to power draw limitations. Adapting video signals requires matching digital and analog constraints. Prioritize digital inputs like HDMI or DVI whenever possible to maintain image quality. Converting digital signals to analog ports like VGA degrades image fidelity. Older displays may require an intermediary to establish the HDCP digital handshake. Modern streaming devices require high-bandwidth digital content protection verification. An HDMI splitter can bypass the HDCP requirement on older monitors. Audio routing depends on your existing sound hardware, as most monitors lack advanced audio processing. Sound must be intercepted before reaching the display panel. Consider integrated out, wireless, or extraction routes. For high-fidelity sound, an audio extractor is needed to cleanly separate the sound from the video feed. This bifurcates the digital signal, providing dedicated analog or optical audio channels without degrading video output. Strategic power settings simulate a traditional smart TV wake cycle. Computer monitors lack HDMI-CEC integration. By enabling the monitor's auto-sleep feature, the display will intelligently power down when the streaming stick goes dormant. Interface navigation and display tuning rely on separate control layers. While the streaming remote dictates the user interface, foundational display parameters like brightness and contrast remain hard-coded to the monitor's physical bezel controls. Physical distancing prevents electromagnetic interference. Mounting a streaming stick against the monitor's back panel can disrupt Wi-Fi reception. Use an HDMI extension cable to bridge the stick into an interference-free zone. Proper mounting transforms the ergonomic context. Standard monitor stands are for close proximity desk work. Integrating a VESA mount elevates the display to replicate optimal television ergonomics for TV-style eye-level viewing. This diagram provides the final architectural blueprint for the conversion, incorporating the essential components for video, power, audio extraction, and proper setup for a functional smart display. Repurposed hardware rivals off-the-shelf smart displays, offering financial efficiency and modular customization. Furthermore, it delivers a positive environmental impact by diverting electronics from the e-waste stream.